Hello, this is Sadav and welcome back to my channel. This pretty plant stays indoor around the year with me, and recently it has got a pretty bloom. The plant is known by the name of peace lily. So I bought this plant 2 years back. So these clips I have attached from February 2 years back. Over the years, I have noticed the plant has also gained a lot of horizontal growth as well. My place is quite lit up with a lot of sunshine, not direct but indirect. Crisping of leaves is a common phenomenon these days as we approach the hotter months. Also, I make sure that I just wipe off the dust out of it every now and then. Every 2-3 days, I make sure that I water this plant. By the side of the plant, I have done a propagation from spider plant. The flower looks so pretty, and also for the first time, I am doing DAP balls in the pot, and let's see how the result is. See you with a new garden story tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.